Hello, students. Welcome to your third semester of MA Economics. In this semester, I'm handling Labor Markets and Institutions course. This course having two important objectives. First one is to introduce the students to key theories into the analysis of the labor market and to develop the knowledge of the relevant institutional framework in labor markets. The major course outcome is after the successful completion of the course, the students will able to examine the labor force participation rate, unemployment rate, and its relationship with the human capital theories. And to compare the labor market theories such as insider, outsider theory, implicit contract theory, and wage regulation models. And the students can able to evaluate the wages and employment policies through analyzing the wage structure, components, and determinants of wages in India. And students can able to appraise the role and significance of the trade unions in industrial relation and industrial disputes in India. Finally, the students can able to measure the labor sector reforms with respect to labor policy, protection of unorganized sector, child labor, and the social security benefits. And the course is having 5 units, namely introduction, secondly, labor market theories, and wage employment policies, then industrial relations and trade union movement, and finally labor sector reforms. The introduction segment, which talks about what is the definition of labor market, basic issues in the labor force participation, and what are the causes and effects of employment and employment generation policies, and so on. In the second lesson topic, which talks about the labor market theories, like the theory of labors, demand for and supply of labors, demand legislation, the labor legislation, and the dynamics of the market, then insider outsider theory, implicit contract theory, and various wage and regulation, efforts regulation models. The wages of employment policies talks about the wage structure and components of wages and determination of wages. The fourth unit, which talks about the evolution and role of the trade unions, origin, then what is it role in determination of wage and productivity, and ensuring the security and efficiency of the employees in both organized and unorganized sector. And fifth one, the labor market reforms, which talks about the various labor policies in India, exit policy, labor participation in industrial management, then labor welfare, then related to policies on child labor, then labor welfare and security measures, then certain international organizations. So with this, I'm delighted to introduce this course. We'll all have courses topic one by one. I request all these students to go through the LMS and check what the lessons, activities, assessment, which has been set in your LMS portal. All the best, students.